More warbands than you can shake a stick at in the rivals of the Mirrored City. Hi there, Chris here with another unboxing for you all. In this video, we're going to take a look at the new Warhammer Underworlds Rivals of the Mirrored City. Yes, it is here, it's coming for all of you Warhammer Underworld enthusiasts. Yes, this big old box is here and is ready to go. Big thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of this box set. Big thank you to my patrons for their support and continued support. And a big thank you to everybody here on the YouTube clicking that membership buttons. Big thank yous to you all. Without all of you support, this channel would not be able to continue to do what it is that I do. And so a huge thank you to you all. So, Warhammer Underworlds Rivals of the Mirrored City. Yes, it looks like it's gobos, undead, skaven, and a big old troll. Big old mushroom troll. Let's have a look at the back of the box. Now this box is pretty big. Now I am not 100% certain if this is supposed to be like a new starter set, because it has these 4 warbands in here. And so I imagine this is really more for getting these warbands up to speed, I think, with the current Rivals decks and everything like that. This box contains 7 Thorns of the Briar Queen fighters, 9 ZARBAG'S Gitz fighters, 5 Spiteclaw Swarm fighters, 4 MOLLOG'S mob fighters, 32 card Thorns of the Briar Queen rival deck, 32 ZARBAG'S Gitz rivals deck, 32 card Spiteclaw Swarm rivals deck, 32 card MOLLOG'S mob rival deck, and 25 fighter cards. Oof, that is a lot of material. So it looks like this is really just to bring, I think, these slightly older warbands into the, the current meta of the game, as it were. And I think that's pretty darn cool. I'm pretty sure I do not have any of these, as I have been, quite a few warbands in my collection. So, and I'm pretty sure I don't have these, and this is gonna be new to me. So yeah, I like these the Briar Queen. I like that sculpt. That's a really great sculpt. And of course, Mushroom Troll is just too funny with all the little support trolls, like the little flying squig and everything like that. There's just too much good, funny stuff in here. But enough gum flapping for me. Let's dive into the box. We are going to bust open the Blade of Destiny here. And this box came to me taped up. It is not cellophane, so unfortunately, you're not going to have that wonderful, wonderful ASMR experience. And how come I can't get in here? Am I cutting this the wrong way? What am I doing here? What am I doing here? I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. Aw, it doesn't have a little thingy on the tab. Aw. All right, let's dive in. Yeah, so it's taped up, no cellophane. I'm a little disappointed, but what are you gonna do? Holy moly, look at all this. Look at all this. So here are the MOLLOG'S mob. The troll's huge. He is huge. We'll take a closer look at these in a moment. We have the full thing of cards. Ooh, a little mangled up here. Full thing of cards. We've got the gobos. Yeah, this is all the Yeah, it's 2018, this frame. What year is this one? 19. So the troll, gobos, 19. Briar Queen, what's this? Probably 19 or 20? It is 18. Ooh. Yeah, so it was a while these models came out. Okay, well again, we'll have a closer look. And the one thing I really do enjoy about all these frames is the Skavens. Yeah, very, very cool. What I really enjoy is that you can just slap these things together and start playing the game. The colored plastic allows you to do that just right off the hop. Everybody out there who's just not interested in, painting their miniatures and playing the game. Got the instruction guide. Gives us all the instructions for the models. Pretty thin. It's basically a page. One little section for all the Briar Queen models. One section for all the ZARBAG'S Gitz. One for the Spiteclaw Swarm. And one for MOLLOG'S mob. Very, very cool. Yeah, really straightforward. You know, it's not like other kits that we get for, you know, Age of Sigmar and Warhammer 40,000, anything like that, where we have like alternate builds or, you know, anything like that. Usually a lot of times with the Warhammer Underworld kits, they are pretty much monopose. They are monopose models, mainly because, you know, like they're geared towards their artwork and, you know, the game board, right? Every model is kind of specific. So, and then of course, let's have a quick look at the cards here. Let's bust out the blade. Which way are we cutting here? Which way does this go? It goes this way. There we go. We're in. We're in. We're in like Flynn? Is that how the expression goes? And then of course, yes, we get all of the cards. Holy moly. So we get the 25 player cards. Jeez. Okay. We get the 25 player cards and we have all of each of the gangs or the warbands rival decks. So here is the Briar Queen, here is ZARBAG'S Gitz, and then of course we also have MOLLOG'S Mob, right? And Spiteclaw's Swarm, yeah, MOLLOG'S Mob, and then the fighter cards. These are the fighter cards? These don't look like fighter cards. No, these are upgrades. Who are these upgrades for? I don't know. Might have fell out. Maybe they fell out of one of these decks. Maybe that's what happened. Anywho, let's have a quick look at the frames. And yeah, we probably will have to have a sniff. These are all new models to me. I know that they're very, some of them are a bit older, but yeah, we're definitely gonna come in, have a closer look and check out the details. And you know what? It'll be like a journey back in time to simpler days when the models were not quite as complex or convoluted or anything of that nature. Anyway, let's get into it. All right, here we are. We're looking at the Skaven warband. Really fantastic looking details. Yeah, it's cast in this wonderful brown frame plastic. So really good details though. Like look at all the chainmail and everything like that. Like, that's really darn good. Considering that it was made, what, all the way back in 18? Way back in the days of yore. Yeah. Lots of Skaven. I mean, for everybody out there who, you know, is into their Skavens, I mean, I imagine many people probably picked this warband up just to use, just to have some extra flavor in their army. Some extra flavors. Very, very cool. Very, very nice. All right, let's have a look at the next one. The Briar Queen. Focus. Focus. There we go. The Briar Queen. Now, these ones I really do like. I do like the Night Haunt models. I just like the idea of these ghostly apparitions moving about, and yeah. Like one of the things that, like, you know, I don't really see a lot of, especially like with, you know, characters like this with the veil, and really kind of spending a lot of time painting the, you know, a translucent effect. So you can kind of see, you know, there was a face in behind the veil kind of thing. That's just really interesting kind of stuff, you know. Yeah, these models are freaking cool. Yeah, I like these guys. I don't know, like, you know, like the thing is, like with these Night Haunts, like the sculpts are relatively, you know, straightforward. Like there's not a lot of funny detail. Yet, these sculpts are very distinct. You know what I mean? Like, like I don't know of anybody else who's doing models like this that aren't simply just imitating what has already been done kind of thing, you know? Yeah. Really, really good stuff. Yeah, I might have to put these ones together. Let me have a look at the face. Can you see the face? Oh, she has a proper face. I thought she had the veil over her face. Maybe it's the other model I'm thinking of. The one in Age of Sigmar. She has the veil. Anyway, yeah. Very, very cool. Yeah. Exciting stuff. All right, next one. It is the Gobos. Gobos. Yeah. Very, very cool. I just love squigs. Squigs are awesome. You know, squigs are one of those things that I kind of wish were real. I know, that sounds really, really dumb, but yeah. Gobbos with their little bows. He's got an arrow through his hat. That's not where that's supposed to be. Yeah, these guys are fun. I mean, they're gobbos. You're going to have a bazillion of these on the table, right? Like he's got the little net. Yeah. Squiggies? Loves me some squiggies. Squiggies. Yeah, the gobbos. Yeah, the dates on these things killing me. Where's the date? I can't find the date. Oh, there it is. 18, yeah. All right, and the last frame is the MOLLOG'S Mob. Is that what it was? MOLLOG'S Mob. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what that one was. This model's huge, but like there's a bunch of fun stuff on here. A lot of bits with this frame, considering that this gang is only, what, like 4 models? And you have, you know, a great big troll as the centerpiece, you know? It's pretty crazy. He's got the big old barnacled up club. I think that's hilarious. Yeah, it's pretty darn cool. I thought, where's the flying squig? Where's the flying... Oh, there he is. The flying squig. I like the flying squig model. He's cool. He's fun. He's funny. Yeah, I'll probably have to do that one. Probably. All right, yes, let's come in for the sniff test. Smells like dank mushrooms and undead with some Skaven. Yeah, I mean, it's a lot of sniffs. It's a lot of sniffs, and it is a lot. It's 4 warbands we're talking about here, so you know, it's quite a bit of sniffage. Anyway, let's get back to the rest of the video, and that's our look at the Rivals of the Mirrored City Warhammer Underworlds. Big thank you to Game Workshop for sending me a review copy of this box set. Big thank you to my patrons. Without your support, this channel will not be able to continue to do what it is that I do. And so a huge thank you to everybody for their support and continued support, and all you brand new ones as well. And of course, if you're watching this on the YouTubes, of course, everybody's watching this on the YouTubes, clicking that membership button helps the channel as well. And it all takes, and so you click the button and choose whatever tier makes sense to you. And a huge thank you to everybody who does that. If you're not able to support monetarily, i.e. money, thumbing up the video, liking, following, subscribing, commenting, ringing the bell, all help the channel as well. And all it takes is a couple clicks of a button, and you're helping me out a great deal. And a huge thank you to everybody who takes the time to do that. Take care of your brushes, they'll take care of you, and I will see you in the next unboxing. Or useless review. Maybe a painting tutorial. Doing quick tips again. Maybe a live stream. Maybe a battle report. Maybe. No, that's it. That's it, that's all. It's just painting. We're doing quick tips again. We're doing quick tips. But yeah, let me know down below what you think. Okay, bye.